Guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we will be doing is I will show you guys on how to butter a plan. How to butter a plan, guys. If you guys are like starters and you guys want to land a plan or butter, follow this tutorial. Trust me, after watching this, you guys will totally know how to butter. Definitely know how to butter. So yeah guys, please focus on this video and I'll show you how to butter. Alright, so first of all, sorry guys, I suck at taxing. Yeah, so first of all, just taxi to your runway. So right now I am at Melor. So if you guys want to learn how to butter, I recommend you guys spawning in Melor. Why exactly? I'll show you. That's the purpose of this video. I'll show you. So guys, when taking off, set it to 2 flaps, and then we can go half flaps. I guess half of your full flaps. Guys, you just take off here. So once the taxiing side is gone, you just yoke, but don't go too steep. Alright. So right now here, you look at the map. Once you're done looking at the map, you actually now here put the gear down, put your flaps back to 0. And then after this here, you should follow this, the river to Great Rockford. Here, this river, right? Once it's the end of the river, you you turn, and then you can approach with the runway, line it. So yeah, here right now I'm using an 80-20. You guys can use any plan in this blue, something like this. So guys, we will be following this. So now, once we are here at the end of the river, once you've did an approach on 1,000, lower down, and then here, let me just show you here. Right here, you turn over here. You do turn. So right now, I'm aligning with the middle runway. The runway in the middle, right here. Actually, it's not good to the middle runway. After that, once you've aligned, lower down your throttle. After that, put on flaps, retract your gear. And then you just keep losing altitude. Yes, so right now I'm losing altitude. And we want to land in the touchdown zone over there. So right now it reads L1. So right there, that poppy light is like that light there with that red thingy. Yes, it has to be 2 white and 2 red, just like me there, see? And then we land in touchdown zone. Alright, that was pretty good. That was a pretty good landing. Alright, that guys is how to butter in Ptfs. Okay, I didn't really butter there, but that's more like of a how to land tutorial. So yeah guys, that's how to land in Ptfs. Yep, that's how you land. Oh wait, so right now we'll be taxiing to the gate. Here too, it's gonna take too long here. This is this is gonna be like a 6-minute long video. So guys, if you're new to Ptfs and then you have some friends who are new, please share this video to your friends that just started playing Ptfs, because this is a tutorial on how to land on butter. So yeah, those poppy lights, it's like you guys saw those red and white lights. So it has to be 2 red and 2 white. Okay guys, and yeah, I guess that's how you butter. So guys, right here, okay, for taxiing to gate, read this. It says A320 right there. Yeah, so you guys want to taxi here and then stop right there on the place of your plan here. So mine says A320 and this is an A320. I stop right there on the A320 mark. Alright, and then what you want to do here, now get off your plan, and if your thing is like that, here, so you go inside the terminal over here. You can go inside the terminal, and then you go here, and then you press adjust keys tight, and then you just press this arrow right here. Oh shoot, it's broken. Why is it broken? I'm not, I guess I'm pressing it. Alright, so that is just how you do it. And then it's gonna be aligned with that. So yeah guys, that is how you butter in Ptfs, and thanks for watching guys.